Hello children, welcome back to your maths class. We are going to continue with subtraction with borrowing today. We are now going to do a sum having the 5 digits. Now over here we have been given this question wherein the subtrahend and minuend are the 5-digit numbers. So from 76,001 we have to take away 21,367. Now let us see how we are going to do. Now over here we have 1 ones and we have to take away 7 ones from it. So this is not practically possible. So what we have to do, we need to borrow from the tens. Now over here we have 0 tens. So that means we cannot borrow from here. Then we move to the hundreds column. Again we have 0 hundreds here. So we cannot borrow from here too. So we will borrow from the thousands column. So from the 6,000 we will borrow 1,000 here. So now this becomes 1000 or 1,000, and from this 10 hundreds we will borrow 100 here. So now this becomes 10 tens, and from this 10 tens we will borrow 1 10 here. So now this becomes 11. So now from this 11 we can easily subtract 7 ones. So what are we going to get? We will get here 4. Now over here we now are left with 9 tens. From 9 tens we have to take away 6 or 6 tens. So we will be getting the answer as 3. Now over here also we had borrowed 1. So now this becomes 9 hundreds. From 9 hundreds we are going to take away how much? We are going to take away 3 hundreds. So we will be left with 6. And from this 6 we had borrowed 1. So we will make this 5. Children, you have to be very careful once you are borrowing, that you have to remember to reduce, or uske value ko you have to reduce it. If you will forget this, then you will make a mistake. So now over here we have 5,000s and we have to take away 1,000s from it. So we will get here 4, and from the 7,000s we will be taking away 2 10,000s. So we will be getting 5. So the difference is how much? The difference is 57634. So 54,634 is your answer. Now as we move further, we have to find the difference between now the two numbers which are 86,005 and 31,358. So now you have to solve this. Write it down in your copies, and this will be your worksheet question number 1. Okay, now here we can see here this question over here is given wherein we have to fill in these missing digits. We don't know these missing digits. We have to calculate to find the missing digits. So now I will show you how we are going to solve this. It's a little tricky, so look carefully. Now first, if we take the ones column, we have to take away 6 ones from 2 ones. Now this is not possible. So we are going to borrow what? 1 tens from the tens column. So now this becomes 2, and we are borrowed here. So now this becomes 12, and 12 minus 6 we will get the answer here as 6. Now over here we have 2 tens, right? And we have to find out the number, or we have to find out the subtrahend to get the result as 6. Now we can see over here the number over here to be subtracted is 5, and the result which we are getting is 3. So that means the number from which we have got this will be 5 plus 3. So that means 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here we can say that from 8, if we have subtracted 5, we would have got the result as 3. So now we can say that from 8 we have subtracted, but that doesn't mean that we have found out this number. So what are we going to do? We have to borrow. We already know that to subtract you still have to find out this number. So we are borrowing 1 from here. So this has become 8. So that means originally in the hundreds place this was 9. And यहाँ से हमने फिर 1 borrow किया. Then it became 8 and this became 12 tens and we subtract 6 from here. So this becomes 6. Are you getting it? ये 8 यहाँ पे कैसे आया? See, 5 plus 3 we will get 8 because आंसर दिया हुआ है, कितना घटा वो हमें पता है, तो we have added it to get the reverse. Now we will put it here upwards because this is not the actual number. यहाँ से हमने borrow भी करना है. So once we have to borrow, that means this number में we will have to add 1. So that means 8 plus 1, that is why I have written 9 here. So originally this must have been 9. So from 9 hundreds we had borrowed 1. So we are left with 8. So 8 minus 5 we are getting 3. Understood? So now here from the thousands figure we can see we have 4 thousands and we are getting the answer as 6 thousands. We don't know what is the subtrahend. So now we will borrow from the 10 thousands. We will borrow from this. So now this becomes 8 and 1 will be here. So this becomes 14 thousands and from 14 thousands we know the difference is 6. So that means 14 minus 6, here it will be how much? 8. And from here we already have 8 here, 6. So we will subtract 8 minus 6. So we get here 2. So now we have found all the missing numbers. See here, I have shown it also and you can see here also this thing very clearly. Now moving on, here is one question for you. Now you try to solve this, fill in the blanks and find out the digits. You will do it in your copies and show it to me. I will be sending you the answers in the evening. Thank you.